Today's a really exciting day. We are welcoming House Speaker Cameron Sexton to the campus of Medical District High School, which of course, as you know, happens to be on the campus of Southwest Community College. So we want to show him what we're up to here, the innovative partnerships that we are taking place with having this partnership with Southwest where students can come out of here not only with a high school diploma, but even an associate's degree. So we're excited about that.
Well, it's a great partnership between a community college and K through 12 Shelby County schools, and it allows students to get a certificate as they graduate high school, and it's the first class that's here, and just seeing the enthusiasm and the students who are wanting to improve themselves is a wonderful thing. Great teachers and a great philosophy on trying to give students a little different approach to education. And hopefully what they will do is be able to leave here and have a job while they're here, and then realize the American dream and the opportunity that they have to be successful.
Together we must believe. Together we will achieve. Together we'll reimagine 901.